guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2. So I was figuring out, I was like trying to think like how will I fit in my Vlogmas videos with my regular planned videos. So I think what I'm gonna do is Monday, Wednesday, Friday will just be my regular videos, but then on Tuesdays and Thursdays I'll just double up the days. So on Tuesday you guys will be seeing Vlogmas Day 2 and 3, so December 2nd and 3rd, and then I'll be posting that on Tuesday. So happy Tuesday for those of you guys who are watching. So today's December 2nd, which means it's the Victoria's Secret fashion show, and maybe like most of you guys aren't like huge fans, it's not that big of a deal, but because I worked there, like for me it was always kind of like a big deal. Me and my coworkers, we used to like go to the sports bar across the street from our work, and then we'd watch the show together with our whole store and stuff, and it was a lot of fun. And after leaving the company, I thought, you know what, I really want to still like do this tradition. It's a lot of fun. So what I did was, me and one of my besties on Instagram, Pia, we found like a group of girls that lived in LA, kind of like micro influencers like ourselves, and we wanted to like start this like little girl group, girl gang kind of thing, where we go to events and we like hang out together and we just kind of like see Instagrammable places in LA together and just get to know each other and start kind of mingling and making coworkers, I guess, if you want to think about it that way. So we are having our first like event technically, which is the Victoria's Secret fashion show, but unfortunately the place that I booked like said they can't show the show because of like technical issues. So we just decided like we'll just hang out, get to know each other. I ordered pizza for us. It's like it's a place called BLOCKPARTY in Highland Park. It's like a cool little vibe where you can like order drinks like beer and wine, but we order food separately. So you can like order whatever food you want, and then you just order that, have it delivered, or bring it to the place, and it's just a place to hang out, chill, and like I think there's a couple of games and stuff there. So that's what we plan to do tonight, just hang out and have some girl time. But we're really excited because we have a couple of more events. Like Pia and I are thinking about doing a Christmas party or something, like a Christmas like sleepover kind of like pajama party or something together. So we're just trying to think of different ideas. But that is what's to come in December. I just went to church today, we had like a leaderships meeting and all that kind of stuff, so nothing super duper like crazy today, but it's just tonight we have this whole thing which took a while to set up. You guys, like it would have been so much easier if like people came over to my house, but because like I have my family here, and I'm sure everybody else, like I don't live in my own apartment, so it's kind of just like I don't want to invite people over with my family here as well. That's kind of what I'm doing tonight. I know I'm starting the vlog off late, but normally on Sundays it's just like church and worship and all that kind of stuff, so I just decided not to put that in. So I just like paired a turtleneck with a lace cami. I don't think I'm gonna wear this, I don't know, I'm just wearing it now because it's cold. And I am sitting on the floor because my ring light is right here. But I'm just gonna now start getting like ready, start getting all my stuff together, and then I'm gonna head out there in just a little bit. So I will see you guys there. Just walked into this random store and they have got like the cutest things. We've got our pizza here with garlic bread, this cute little table, and just like this cute little area. Here's what like the top looks like. There's like globe lights everywhere. Okay, so my camera is not so good in low light, but we just got to like our little reserved area. There are other people on the opposite side of this side, so we have like this whole area reserved, which is amazing. I'm so happy. This is like the perfect place to have like a birthday party or just like a chill night. It is pretty cold, so I will have to stay bundled up, but I'm so excited for you guys to meet everyone. I'm so excited to meet everyone. I'm starving too. But yeah, we're gonna order some drinks and everything, so I'm just waiting here now. She's gonna make the champagne pop. Here we go. Oh wait, no. Too much pressure. Oh. I can't. Okay, it's okay. Okay, if it's not good, I'll delete this. Ooh. Woo! Yay! Cheers! Thank you. Okay, so we're here with, you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Cassidy. Hi, I'm Courtney.
I'm gonna link all their Instagram handles like right here, and you guys know Pia. Yes, on my Instagram. But I'm gonna link them. We're now enjoying some champagne and some pizza. Cheers! 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 This is my I just woke up like this face. sorry to disappoint, I don't look like Beyonce. So today is December, let me check the date. December 3rd, and it's Monday. I just woke up, obviously. I had my morning cup of coffee. I keep pulling my hair like this because I've got flyaways like that, and they're not cute. So I'm just gonna like comb them back and hold them here. I just woke up and I had my morning cup of coffee, my morning call with Justin, which we do like every single day. And now I'm just gonna get ready for the day, get ready for work. And when I say work, I mean like go upstairs and start working. I'm gonna like get ready, and then I have a video to edit and upload tonight that is gonna be my what's in my new Chanel bag, which is actually right here. So if you want to see this video, I'll leave that down below. But because this video is going up on Tuesday, so it should be happy Tuesday to everybody. But yeah, I'm just gonna upload that. I didn't vlog last night as much. Like, we pretty much went to the block party in Highland Park, and it was so much fun, you guys. Honestly, like, if you're looking for like a really fun place to just like hang out and like have a good time in LA, then I definitely recommend the block party in Highland Park, because it's like a really up and coming area and it's really cute and stuff. So highly recommend that. You'd be surprised, like, when you meet people on Instagram, sometimes like people are very like just in their own world, but then there's always like gems of people on Instagram, like people who are actually like really down to earth. We talked about really valuable things, and it was just good catching up with Pia, of course, because like I love her. But I have a lot of things to do today. Like, I feel like every time I come on camera, I'm like, I have a lot of things to do today. And I do have a lot of things to do today. I just like have a lot of like admin type of things to do today. So if you want to see what I'm gonna do today, then stick around. But we just need to like edit videos, start planning out my blog posts for this week, lots of stuff. So let's just get ready and then go upstairs and start work. State of my office is atrocious right now. Like, literally so messy. Why do I have like 5 cups? Okay, it's just 2, but still. This is what happens after you like film videos. I literally have a bra right there. Great to know. Like, it just gets so messy. I need to organize all of this, get rid of some of the summer stuff on there. The infamous chair. You guys probably have one of these, but you just have a chair that you sit down on that really has no function besides holding all of your clothes that you try on, and then you throw it back on there. Okay, so I thought this might be helpful for some of you who struggle with planning. I use my mode book by MODMODEDESIGNS because this one's more of like a daily planner. So this one here just gives me like an overview of the week. So this week I have to pick praise songs, design tickets for our Christmas gala, upload my what's in my bag video, and then upload Vlogmas. There's like a lot of stuff, like what blog posts I'm gonna do. Excuse me. But the reason that I love this so much is because that you also have like this budget planning section and like expenses that you can write down every week. And then you also have like a list and notes section. You have a project planning section. This is for our Christmas gala. I have like this section to like really plan out my projects and stuff. I've used this section a lot. I planned my 22nd birthday on here, my sister's birthday, and now I'm at the Christmas gala. I'll leave a link down below, but you guys can also get 10% off with the code INMYSEAMS, of course. Now getting on with editing my what's in my bag video. I get a lot of questions about what program I use, and I just use iMovie, you guys. I make my own like overlays, like my own PNG overlays that are transparent backgrounds so that I can overlay them on top of like my clips. So yeah, just a little tip for you all. Lunch today, just a chicken breast seasoned with some eggs that my mom made this morning with like onion and stuff in it. It's like a Korean omelet. Some salsas over here with some chips, so that's what I'm gonna eat for lunch. My dog is trying to make me feel bad and he wants some food. That's why he's sticking his head over the table. Hey you guys, so I'm off to pick up my brother from school, and if you're like an older sibling, you can probably definitely relate to me, especially like if you're younger siblings in high school. But yeah, I'm just on my way to go pick him up. After I pick him up, we normally go to the gym together, and then we work out separately. We used to work out together in the beginning of like when we got our membership, but now we work out separately, and yeah, so that's where I'm headed off to now. I finally uploaded my what's in my bag video. I'm gonna get off of this camera now so that I can drive with two hands. But yeah, my brother and I are headed over to the gimnasio now. So yeah, I'm gonna get a nice workout in. Okay, that's not how I work out. Take a shower here probably, and then I will see you guys at the gym. Sam and I came to the grocery store because I need to grind this up. Oh, there's a couple more. Okay. Making this hot cocoa mix into the I eat it with the speculoos cookies that we bought from Trader Joe's. These are so good. I probably should get a plate. My phone.